Hey guys, Purp here again, in the garage, just trying to get stuff done. Sorry for a lack of updates, I just haven't had much done. Didn't really fancy filming this, but can you guess what I did? Yeah, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this, but it's scored as all hell down there. That's the one that was in it. So there's a nice new shiny piston, cylinder, and a few other bits and bobs. Haven't done too much to it since I last spoke and last done anything. These are now fixed. That was the last thing I did on video, was actually the brakes, wasn't it? And yeah, that's pretty much all I've done is redoing the cylinder, but it runs now. So yeah, that's a thing. Just haven't had much time to work on it. Or anything. Just a quick one today. Just updating you, letting you know. Still alive. Still working. Just haven't had time for videos. Sorry. Well, I'll probably end up doing it for this one. I'll talk to you in the next one.